Hello, welcome to visit our factory. This is our zipper workshop. This is a wash label for the lining. The case is made of the best material. This is a double wheel made of PP material, smooth and wear-resistant roller. This is the trunk handle. It's easy to carry. PP foot can store shopping bags. 3-section bounce white tie rod. Multi-gear adjustment pulls smoothly without stalling. TSA customs lock with USB charging ports. Comes with charging interface. Business trip or long distance travel, more worry. With W mesh bag, can hold more things. The shape of the lining is cut. Inside the box of cloth. X buckle for binding tape. A variety of interior combinations to meet your diverse needs. U-shaped enclosed space to protect your privacy. PVC made of leather. The zipper has strong, explosion-proof performance. W-shaped mesh bag and X-shaped fixed, closed do not fall. Our quality is safe and reliable. Is a professional engaged in luggage, product research and development, production. The packing of corrugated cartons is not easily damaged. Warmly welcome to COK to buy. See you next time.